In this video, I explain about Float64 data type in Python. Float means the number which is present in decimal shape, and Float64 is the built-in program for NumPy library and use double precision standard, and it is represented by decimal digit 15 to 17. After decimal point 15 to 17 numbers show, and each floating point number use 8 byte or 64 bit memory per value. Like this is the number which store 64 bit or 8 byte memory. This is the value of pi 3 point, and these are the 15 numbers after point. So 15 to 17 decimal digits after this point. So this number provides more accuracy, and NumPy library is used to deal with mathematical programs and functions. If you like video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.